Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today the second part of your lesson, the second part of learning regarding convex lens. You see here in the this is the principal axis. I have drawn the principal axis with a full line. It's not drawn with broken lines. It's drawn with full lines. And I have drawn the optical axis using broken lines. Okay, I want to give you an important idea. The important idea is from the optic center at a constant distance there will be a point. That point, I am marking the point here. That point is called focal point. Where is the focal point? The focal point is located on the principal axis. Now for an example, let's say this distance from the optical center to the focal point, right? I find the distance. I'm just showing you with a different color for you to good understand it, right? This yellow color. A similar focal point will be there in the other side also. A similar focal point will be there in the other side also, right? So here there is a focal point. In this place there is a focal point. So how many focal points for a convex lens mean? There are two focal points for a convex lens, and the distance between the optic center and focal point in both sides are equal. Say optic center to focal point, it is 4 centimeter. Other side also it is 4 centimeter. Clear the idea? Hope you understood. All of you understood the focal point. Now an important idea. The important idea is if you send a light ray, you are sending a light ray parallel to the principal axis, it will be refracted through the focal point. Can everyone understand it? If you consider these rays, okay, you are sending a light ray parallel to the principal axis. When it passes through the lens, it is bent. Now it goes through the focal point. I give a different color for you to understand it, a magenta color. Let us take another parallel line. It's also parallel to the principal axis. I am taking that line up to the optical axis. After optical axis, I am bending it. The bent light goes through the focal point. Okay, let us give a different color for you to clearly observe. Green color. Let us take another line parallel to the principal axis. It is also bent and sent through the focal point. Same focal point. The focal point is constant. The focal point cannot change. I am giving another color for you to clearly see that. Let us take another ray, incident ray, parallel to the principal axis. Now I am taking for the down position. It also will be bent through the same focal point. Let's give another color. In exam papers, you don't need to draw different colors, but at the moment, for the children to understand, I am drawing with different colors. Let's take another line up to the lens parallel to the principal axis. Okay, it also will be bent through the same focal point. Let's leave it as black. Let's take another line parallel to the principal axis. It is also bent through the same focal point. Let's give another color on it. The colors are only for you to understand. So almost, and finally, you are sending a light ray towards the along the principal axis. That light ray will travel without any changes. Let's give another color for the light ray that travels along the principal axis. So this is the appearance. So the light rays are going parallel here. They are parallel light rays. They are parallel to the principal axis. Okay, when you are working on these diagrams, you have to draw arrowheads. Okay, you have to draw arrowheads. Just mark arrows on heads only. Just mark heads only. In this manner. So here also you have to draw the arrowheads. Here also I am marking the arrowhead.